Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Oma Clicks Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, hi, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thanks so much for always coming back to support my videos. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. Today's video I will be sharing on how to make and package peanut burger for commercial purposes. And if you're really interested, please stick around. So for the ingredients, you'll be needing your all-purpose flour, sugar, milk flavor, essence. I'm using pineapple essence, nutmeg, butter, milk, egg, groundnuts, and your salt. Please don't forget your salt, it is very important. So to your all-purpose flour, you have to add in your milk flavor, salt, nutmeg, and incorporate. So for this recipe, you have to mix your solid differently and your liquid differently, okay? So in a different bowl, I will break in my egg. So over here I broke in 2 eggs in a different bowl, then go in with my essence, my pineapple essence. I added 3 cups of this pineapple essence. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the measurements on the description box below, okay? So I'll go in with my milk and I'll add my sugar as well and incorporate. I also add my melted butter to it and also incorporate. Then I'll go by adding in my liquid mixtures to my groundnut. And guys, remember that this groundnut is not the raw groundnut. It has been roasted for 10 minutes, okay? Because I'm still going to fry this. And for the coating, I have to coat this 2 times to get the peanut burger, and make sure that the liquid mixture covers the groundnut properly before you have to add in your mixed solid ingredients, that is your flour. So I'm going to coat this 2 times to get that peanut burger. So after this process is the frying process. But guys, the reason why I sprinkle raw flour over this peanut burger is to have that crunchy peanut, okay? And also not to stick together. So I'll first of all add in one. Once the oil is hot for frying, I'll add in oil and start frying bit by bit, because my oil is not much. I'll stir fry until a golden brown color develops. This video is not doing justice to this peanut burger right now. And peanut burger is ready, guys. So I'm going to make use of this plastic bag for packaging. This one for tying it or to close it up, and this small rubber for measuring, okay? I'll go by measuring 3 times or 4 times depending on how you want your peanut burger to look like. And if you don't want to make use of plastic bag, you can make use of disposable cups and close it up with a foil paper. And then you can also use rubber cans to package it, and don't forget to stick your brand names to your product. Okay. So I'm going to tight this peanut butter very tight, because if it is not very tight, it's going to be fluffy and thereby making it not crunchy, and it can spoil your business. Okay, make sure it is very tight so that air won't enter and make it fluffy or not being crunchy. So peanut butter is ready for market. Okay, and if you're watching up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye.